Welcome back to the channel. If you've ever gone camping, spent the whole day hiking or exploring, and then crawled into your tent only to spend the entire night tossing and turning on a thin, deflating air mattress, you know exactly how frustrating that is. You wake up sore, exhausted, and feeling like you barely slept at all. That is exactly why we need to talk about an absolute game changer for outdoor sleep comfort, the ABORON XXL Camping Cot for adults. This isn't your average, flimsy camp bed that squeaks every time you move. This is an oversized, heavy-duty powerhouse measuring 78 inches long by 32 inches wide, giving you plenty of room to actually stretch out. It is built with a double-layer 1200D Oxford fabric and a reinforced frame that supports up to an incredible 900 pounds. It feels incredibly sturdy and grounded, meaning absolutely zero sagging. But the real magic is the included mattress pad. It adds a thick, plush layer of comfort right on top of the cot, so it actually feels like you're sleeping on a real bed under the stars. Setup is a total breeze. It folds and unfolds in seconds with no assembly required, and it packs right away into the included carry bag. Whether you're setting up camp in the deep woods or just need a reliable, comfortable spare bed for guests at home, this cot completely eliminates the dread of a bad night's sleep. It is simple, incredibly effective, and completely changes how you rest outdoors. If you want to grab one of these for your next adventure and secure a fantastic deal, make sure to click the link below for the best price. Let me know your thoughts in the comments, and I will see you in the next one.